There are a lot of great things about NFTs, but there's also a lot of really sucky people involved with NFTs who are just trying to take your money. But today, I'm going to show you a little trick in the NFT community that people are using to scam people for hundreds or thousands of dollars. My name is Josh, this is OnlyCryptos, and we cover everything in the crypto world, from NFTs to different currencies to DeFi tips and tricks, all of the above. So if you like what you watch in this video, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. Stick around. In a previous video, I showed you a couple red flags that you should watch out for in NFTs, from Instagram messages to Discord messages to Gary V's tweets. I saw something after that video that almost got me to buy an NFT, and I'm decently experienced in the space. I mean, I work here, and I couldn't believe that it almost got me. So what I'll do whenever I follow an NFT project is typically follow them on Twitter, on Instagram, and then go to their Discord to watch everything that happens with the project, as most people do. As of late, I've been pretty busy with work, building up an Instagram page over at only.cryptos. Shameless plug, go check it out. And I just haven't really been in the loop with a lot of NFT stuff. I haven't been in my Discords checking stuff, looking for mint dates, looking for any of that stuff. And so I just went on to check up on a project I've been looking at recently called Kitty Crypto Gang. I'll throw some of the art right here. It actually looks super awesome, and we covered it over on our page just because I thought the art looked cool. And as you can, it's a very unique looking project. But anyway, I was really intrigued. At this point, my NFT investing just comes from things I think look cool. So I hopped in this Discord, and I haven't really been involved in many Discord communities recently because I've just not been paying attention. I pay attention more to the news and the projects that are coming out, but I just don't really care about getting on whitelists and going through all that stuff right now. So the other night, I just hopped on Discord, and I was like, let me check out what's going on with this project. I couldn't remember when the mint date was, but I really wanted to buy into this project because I had followed it for so long. I thought the art looked really cool. Here's a look at the Discord for Kitty Crypto Gang. You can see all of the members in here. They have all their stuff. Very good looking Discord, as you can tell. So very naively, I got a message that looked like this. It said, announcements from Kitty Crypto Gang. It looked pretty legit. It was a well put together message. And it said, hey, the Kitty Crypto Gang presale is now live. You can go and mint your kitty. And I was like, oh my gosh, perfect timing. So I clicked the link that looked pretty legit. I mean, the domain is basically the exact same. So I went, clicked the link, went to the site, and it showed up a site like this. Now this page looks really well put together for being a scam, does it not? You have some animation in the text, you have the pictures animated, you have the same background they have on the website. Their actual website has a similar color pattern, so I was like, hey, that looks really good. It's really easy. The Connect with MetaMask integration works perfectly fine. You can connect your MetaMask, and you can mint this NFT. They even have a fake number counter right here to make you buy into the NFT because you think, hey, there's only 250 spots left. I need to get in. 240. I need to get in. 230. I need to get in. The links to all of the socials work perfectly. Obviously, after looking at it for a few minutes and going back into the Discord, I realized that the mint price was 0.25 ETH, and the price they were asking here was 0.15 ETH. This isn't real at all. I got hit with about 5 of these websites. Here's another one. I know the exact same thing happened to me with the Full Send Meta card. I know I was in that Discord, and a bunch of people sent me sites just like this. I went back and checked. Some really sneaky tactics and some really well put together sites here. Now, I know some of this stuff seems very obvious to you, the same way now it seems very obvious to me after going through it. I feel like an absolute idiot for even half falling for it. I can't believe I'd do that. But that's the thing. Basically, the bigger picture here is that as time evolves and this NFT community grows and the crypto world grows, you're going to have more and more people filtering in, wanting to know how they can make their cut. Look out for things like domains that might not look exactly right, Instagram accounts that don't look exactly right, Twitter accounts that don't look exactly right. Just watch and pay attention to all these things. We're not all going to fall for the same tricks, but we're all going to fall for some tricks, I'm sure, over time. We're all looking to make money. I was jumping at the opportunity to mint one of these things because I was like, this project's going to blow up. I need to get in right now. Sometimes your heart just takes over and your brain takes a seat. You know what I mean? Just be careful in the space. Really know what you're putting your money into and verify everything you're doing 15 times before you do it. The blockchain's safe, but you have to get into the blockchain the right way in order for it to be safe. And I trust you guys. I also trust you guys to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and tell me how stupid I am in the comments. I cover everything in the crypto, NFT, and metaverse communities, from tips and tricks to news to new projects, all the fun stuff that you want to see. And if you subscribe to me, hate it 3 weeks later, you can always unsubscribe. It's totally free. If you did get a kitty from Kitty Crypto Gang and you want to send it to me for free as a present for making this video for you, feel free. My wallet address will be in the description.